Shoot. Yeah. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the 5150 Green Garage. And right now, we got the OEDRO, however you say it, little tow hitch. This is the Class 3. It's a 6,000 pound tow capacity that hooks up to your stock bumper. So I didn't want to spend a bunch of money and get a full-on hitch. So we're going to go give this a whirl. So this is going on an 05 Dodge Ram. Yeah. Comes with your mount, some hardware, and a little hitch cover. So we're gonna go install this sucker. Alright, go around this truck here. This fits a 2003 to 2018 Dodge. And this is your stock little bumper frame here. First thing we're gonna do, get all our hardware out. You got this big old donkey bolt right here. This can go straight down the top, right through where the ball goes. That's just going to hold this one in place. I haven't even read the instructions, but I'm guessing these bolts stick right on this little donkey. Right on there like that. This little ding dong. Now we can work our way up. She maxed out over here. Now about another foot of wire would have been nice. Oh, redo. I'm telling you, just needs one more foot of wire. Alright. Make sure. You're gonna make sure you screw it on there nice so it doesn't fall off in this freaking tube, because it probably will never come out. Alright, we'll give it a pull her on through.
I did not have an Allen wrench for that one, so I went to Harbor Freight, picked up this bad boy. This is about 13 bucks for the set. I wished that they did throw an Allen wrench that would fit this, because I'm guessing not a lot of people have a big old Allen wrench that size. But anyways, so this is the one that fits right in it. This is a 12. An old size 12 Allen. And it fits right in there. Perfect. So this is supposed to be torqued at 250 foot-pounds, which this torque wrench only goes up to like 150. So I'm just gonna tighten that sucker down good. And down here, so this bolt, supposed to be at 90 to 100 foot-pounds. So I'm gonna set mine at 95. And I'm using a, what size am I using here? This is a 3/4 inch, this is a 7/8. And I believe it's also a 21 would fit. The 3/4 is just a smidge loose, but I don't have a 20, I have a long 21, it's not gonna fit. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this sucker down to 95 foot-pounds. There we go. That's pretty, this sucker's pretty tight. All my, that's gonna be good. Oh, that's good. So last, we get our nice little cover. Pop that on, and there you go. Well, there you have it. All hooked up on the boat. Easy to install. I'm gonna take it to the lake, and we'll see if the boat falls off. So I'll be back. Alright guys, so we spent the day at the lake with the boat. Check it out. This whole hitch, she's still holding strong, man. They did a good job. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up, 40 bucks. So anyways, only recommendation I got for this company is throw in an Allen wrench or something that will fit this, because you know, now I had to drive to Harbor Freight, spend $13 more just to get that one Allen wrench. I don't know. I'm happy with it, looks good, works great. A lot better than using that bumper. So anyways, so yeah, this was rated at 6,000 pound trailer weight and 600 pound tongue weight, if you guys want to know. Other than that, you know, it's pretty basic, quick. You know, you could do this in 5-10 minutes. So I give this, on a scale of 1 to 10, this is like a 2 on difficulty. It's not very hard. The hardest part is getting those bolts through the tubing and pop them out of that little hole. So just make sure you put that wire on. This one right here. Make sure you get this wire on the bolt nice and tight, and then pull it through. So anyways, thanks everybody for watching this video on the 5150 Gringo.
You painted something.
Yeah, I did paint that.
Why?
Oh, that looks cool, huh? So, anyways, thanks everybody for watching the 5150 Gringo Garage. Remember to subscribe, turn on the notifications, and I will see you on the next video.